I'm a live stream. I feel like a super, super cool hardcore YouTuber. Thank you.
Welcome to Stream Tips episode number 5. In this video, we're going to set up a now playing music ticker specifically for Spotify for Windows. In my preferred music posting problems that I did how to add Snip back into OBS. While this video tutorial is specifically for those that use Spotify, I do want to mention that Snip works with iTunes, VLC, Winamp, and Foobar 2000. So if you use any of those for your music, this guide will work in a similar way for those programs as well. To start, you'll want to grab the latest release of Snip from the link found in the description of this video, and it should be on the actual video itself as well. Now, under the downloads, you want to grab the top file, which is 5.1.0, and that's at the making of this video, so it might even be updated a little bit more than that when you see this. After the download is complete, you'll need to open up this file and extract its contents somewhere on your computer. For me, I'm simply going to open it up using WinRAR, which is a free file extraction program, and then move the snip folder onto my desktop by dragging and dropping it there. Folder. We'll get back to those in just a little bit. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open up Spotify right now, and I've found no problems yet with the order of programs and how they're started. However, I do want to point out that when you close Spotify, Snip will close as well. So it might be a good idea to add starting Snip to your list of things to do before you go live with your stream. Before we add Snip into OBS, let's take a quick look at how to change some of the settings. So what we want to do is go to our taskbar, which by default is located at the bottom right of your screen. And for me, I need to click the Show More area to find Snip. I'm using Windows 10, so yours might look a little bit different, but it should all work the same. Now, this little blue circle icon is what we need. Right-click it to show the settings, and then we can see that I have Spotify checkmark. But if you want to use the other programs that I mentioned, you just need to make the switch right here. You can learn a bit more about these settings if you'd like, but what I want to show you is the output format. When we select our file and then the track name and artist, we can see that I have Spotify checkmarked. But if you want to use the other programs that I mentioned, you just need to make the switch right here. You can learn a bit more about the set output format. When we select this, it represents how the track name and artist name will appear, and then T with them and $L with the name. So, and then you just T, I just want to remove the quotation marks around the track name and then put an extra space after the artist name and then hit save. I add the space after the artist name because without it, they kind of bump up against each other in OBS, so I really recommend doing that as well. So anyways, now that I have my settings how I'd like them, let's go ahead and start a track in Spotify. And then let's open up OBS and first hit Preview Stream. And now I'm going to create a new text source inside my scene and call it Music Ticker. I personally don't use global sources for my music ticker because I like to change the font sizes, scroll speeds, and even the width of my ticker in different scenes that I have. What I do want to do though is go ahead and hit Use Text from File and then hit Browse. Here, I just want to navigate